We shall now learn about statistics. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to understand and find mean of group data, mode of group data, median of group data, graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. Now let us see what is statistics. To know about statistics, let's consider a situation that is where there is an upcoming election between two political leaders, Ramesh and Rajesh. Both finished campaigning in the city. But Rajesh is very anxious to know about who is going to actually win the election. So Rajesh started a survey by collecting data, or information, about the people who will vote him. This collection of data for specific purpose, that is, election, is called statistics. Let's know more about statistics. As our world is becoming more and more information-oriented, every part of our lives utilizes data, in one form or the other. Data may relate to cricket batting, or bowling averages, profits of an organization, population of a country and so on. Imagine in your school, every year annual sports day is going to be held. Your PE teacher collected information, or data, about the students, who play various sports. After collecting the information, the data is listed in the table. The number of students who gave names for cricket are 28. The number of students who gave names for volleyball are 77. The number of students who gave names for tennis are 43. The number of students who gave names for running race are 52. The information, which are numerical or otherwise, collected with a definite purpose, are called data. So, it is essential for us to know how to extract meaningful information from such data. In the above scenario, that is, collecting information regarding number of students who can play sports, the principal of the school asked PE teacher that show only the information, or data, about total number of students participating in various sports on the sports day. So, PE teacher listed that data in a table, and then submitted to principal. Let's look at the table initially listed by PE teacher. Then the PE teacher prepared the table, which shows the total number of students who will participate in various sport on the sports day, that is, 200 students, and submitted this to the principal. This extraction of meaningful information from data is studied under a branch of mathematics called statistics. Let's now where statistics is used in our life. The word statistics have been derived from the Latin word status, which means a political state. In the beginning, statistics was simply the collection of data on different aspects of life of people, useful for facilitation of government. Later statistics is applied to many fields like demography, statistics of population, insurance and finance industries, environmental statistics, weather, climate, air, and water quality, education and other fields, where data is collected and presented. Over a period of time its scope is broadened, and statistics began to concern itself not only with the collection and presentation of data, but also with the interpretation and drawing of inferences from data. Thus, information or data collected is classified, and is used in preparation of policies and plans for the development of specific field. Let's now define statistics from what we have learned. Statistics is a branch of mathematics, which deals with the collection, presentation, classification, analysis, interpretation as well as drawing of meaningful conclusions from data. Data can be classified into two groups: Ungroup data and group data. Let's know in detail about group data and ungroup data. First we shall say ungroup data. To understand ungroup data, we consider a scenario, that is the marks obtained by 20 students of a class, out of 50 marks, in mathematics test is given. The marks are 25, 10, 49, 49, 38, 7, 42, 42, 19, 49, 38, 9, 9, 25, 28, 25, 42, 42, 22, 19, Let's first arrange the marks in ascending order, that is 7, 9, 9, 10, 19, 19, 22, 25, 25, 25, 28, 38, 38, 42, 42, 42, 42, 49, 49, 49. Data obtained here is raw or ungroup data. The given marks are then arranged in a table as shown, which is called Ungroup Frequency Distribution Table. When the data is presented in a frequency distribution table, then number of values that fall in any particular class is called frequency of that class. For instance, 3 students got 25 marks. So, we can say the frequency of 25 is 3. Similarly, for the rest of the marks, the frequencies are calculated. Now, we are going to obtain the group frequency distribution table for the same scenario considered above. Now we shall say group data. To understand group data, we consider a scenario, that is the marks obtained by 20 students of a class, out of 50 marks, in mathematics test, which are given as follows: 25, 10, 49, 49, 38, 7, 42, 42, 19, 49, 38, 9, 9, 25, 28, 25, 42, 42, 22, 19. Here first the data is arranged in ascending order, that is 7, 9, 9, 10, 19, 19, 22, 25, 25, 25, 28, 38, 38, 42, 42, 42, 42, 49, 49, 49. Here the values, or data, is classified into groups like 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50. These groupings are called classes or class intervals. Here the frequencies for each class interval is calculated. For the class interval 1 to 10 there are 4 students whose marks lies between 1 and 10. Similarly we calculate the frequencies for the other class intervals as: for the class interval 11 to 20 there are 2 students whose marks lies between 11 and 20. For the class interval 21 to 30 there are 5 students whose marks lies between 21 and 30. For the class interval 31 to 40 there are 2 students whose marks lies between 31 and 40. For the class interval 41 to 50, there are 7 students whose marks lies between 41 and 50. This form of presenting data, in simplified way in the table, is called a group frequency distribution table, and data obtained here is called group data. Now, let's learn more in detail about group data and finding mean of group